Right. Hello.
Hello.
How are you doing? So, do you want to show this
Yeah, I can
pop-up?
show,
Is
yeah.
it working? If I
Yeah, it
I
works,
think
but
will.
it's not. It's not good.
By the way, Goran, if you are here, tell me. Okay, so let's talk about this.
Well, yeah, this pop-up is working. It's not working correctly because of the position. It should be on the right corner of the mouse position, but it works. It reads. Wait. Oh.
Goran is here. Medvedik, hey, how are you doing?
It read. Oh, there is a problem. What is this?
The abilities they can't have this kind of raycast, and you see they block pop-up from popping up, and then it disappears and then it appears again. Do you understand? Like this gray part is blocking mouse.
Yeah.
It's actually like when I do this it feels like the code thinks
Are you
that
clicking?
no, I'm not.
Oh, okay.
Alright, I'm gonna let's talk about that other time.
Okay.
What we wanted to talk about right now is Twitch app. So actually how it will all work and so on, because we have some interface here. I haven't even shown it to Daniel yet, but we've been talking about it, so he knows kind of what I have here. But we also are talking with the artist who is in chat, so we're gonna see if we can. How is all this going? So this is basically my menu screen of the real game, not the Twitch game, the real game. So you would have campaign, this is single player, and you would have stream. And this is, if you click stream, you get this. So you write your server name, you write stream link, this is Twitch link actually, and this is something I just thought now, password, in case you're a popular streamer and you're playing with few friends and like there is 1,000 people watching, maybe you don't want to let everybody play. So I think that would be nice.
Yeah, nice.
Then you go start, and then here you would select modes. Right now we have only championship normal mode, but soon, hopefully when Twitch goes out, we would have another mode that is King of the Hill. So you choose this, let's say we chose championship, and this is your setting. So you can choose like permadeath, random actions, like any kind of setting here, then some speed setting, and what units you're going to allow. Like knights, demons, or berserkers, and so on. We need a lot of them here.
Yeah.
So Goran, if you have any thoughts about it, feel free to comment, and anybody else too, if you have some ideas. Or so fairly simple, but we can add more setting and so on. What up? It's Wemps. Hey Wemps. We are showing actually how the Twitch app is going to work. Right now we are going through the original game where you will set up the server where you would be streaming from, and then we are going to soon go into the Twitch app. Like this is going to be the starting screen of the Twitch app. Why is there no setting that gives you all unit magnificent mustaches? What? Yes, a volume setting, please. What do you mean? Basically here we are missing the number of
still gonna
units.
talk about these settings. This only like rough.
Yeah, but let's talk about it
setting.
now. I mean, if you
now
have
it's-
some suggestion about it, I mean, we're gonna talk about it more tomorrow,
Yeah.
but let's see also now. He jokes, lol. Mustaches. Yeah. We're just lazy, and that's it. Okay, so we also need the number of unit option here. This is what I missed. But
Yeah.
basically bunch of settings on this screen.
Yeah.
This is it, right? Then you go start, And here, the change here is that you would not see what units other people have. And now I was thinking about it, like pros and cons. So one pro is if you can actually see all the units, you can know what to counter. But again, maybe that's not fair, because then everybody is going to be like clearing and adding new units, and whoever does it last like wins, kind of. So like this, it's more like poker. Like, all right, so I don't know what others have, but let's see if I can get good enough team. And also, if some team wins, like let's say a few mages win and everybody starts copying that combination, you can kind of predict, like, yeah, they're probably going to play with a lot of mages now. And even more important thing is that it will be bigger, so that you can actually see here what where you are and how many points you have. And because you will be able to do this selection here through this Twitch app, you won't need to have to see your units here building the team. I'm honored to have my name there. You're 10 of 10, yeah. Goran and Daniel, they didn't add all units. So you would see all the units that are available here and the total points and so on. So this is it for the full game. But this is the app. Right now we are thinking about this name, like Gladiator Guild Manager Live. So basically this is just UI where you would find server here, write your name and click join.
And maybe password.
Yeah.
If you click join,
if there is a password, it will ask
password.
you. Yeah. If
okay.
not, it will join.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright. And then this is the app. So if the battle is in progress, it would say battle is in progress, watch here, and then link to the stream that is linked here, that is connected here.
There is no need for this, because server name
Doesn't
should be
have
exactly.
But doesn't have to be, I mean...
Oh yeah, you can name
why
the
would
server
we have to force it?
differently.
Yeah. If they want to name it the same...
Okay.
So basically they would have this link, they could click and
But
see,
if someone misspells the link, well,
I'm
what to do?
hoping they will copy.
Don't
I mean,
misspell the link.
It's like, I'm guessing most people would copy it.
Yeah.
Or it would say streamer setting up options or something like that, if you cannot choose right now. And if you can, then you have this screen. And you have all the available units here, you drag them and position them. Then you can click on them, or here, and you can see all their settings. But if you click on them while they're here on the battle screen, you can actually choose the level as well. You cannot choose every level, because we are going to limit that so that we keep like footmans a bit lower level, but then there are going to be higher level units like trolls and so on. So we're gonna play around with that. But the future is so bright for this game. I was talking about my video earlier about how excited we were with single player. Which one of you all is the user with the rabbit? That's me. I'm the rabbit user. I think his name is Frank. That's right. It's Hank actually, but close enough. Frank was inspiration. Frank from It's Always Sunny. If you watch the show. Imagine assuming genders.
The dude with the glasses.
Yeah. The other.
Oh, you wear the glasses. Oh god damn it! I'm like totally not aware of that you're wearing glasses. Like
I think the rabbit also has the glasses, but the other child man does the programming part of the game. They say that you're a child man, but we're both child men.
Mustache.
Yeah. But we also both program, but he does more programming. He's programming UI, and I'm staying away from that so that I can do other stuff like draw on the board these beautiful things and write. So, but we do like more core of the game is programmed by both of us. Okay, so Hank, I was so fucking close. Dude played Danny DeVito. Yeah, that's the one. then that's the biggest inspiration for Hank. Not completely. He has a lot of like nuanced personality compared to the. It's a different personality, but it's inspired by him. This is so good. This demon teaser for future characters. Well, we have. This is how it's going to work. Like, footmans will be ranging from level 1 to 3, and you cannot choose footman level 18. But you can choose demon footman, and they are going to be higher level. So
Like
when you
9.
see that, 9
8,
or
9.
10 or something like that. So when you see the demon footman, you're like, all right, this is some serious trouble here.
Yeah.
And when you see the normal footman, you're like, okay, I know what they are, kind of. And when you see a troll, you know the troll is always like level, I don't know, 12 to 14. But there is a demon troll, and they're like level 20. And they're even level 40 units, but they're going to be all like behemoths, huge monsters.
Yeah.
So we don't want like this huge monster behemoth to have the same power like footman if you select level 40, right? So we are figuring that we would limit that. Maybe we would allow a mode where you can do something like that. We're not sure yet, but for now we're gonna limit it. In game it's going to be limited to these certain levels, and we'll see later how the Twitch mode goes. And alright, so let me see if there is anything else. No, this is it. Okay, I'm going to open the game so that we can play a few games. Tell me what you guys think about all this.
We can tell them about what we have changed for this unit info panel.
Yeah, sure.
I need the pictures,
Pictures.
but if we have them.
There it is. Now the biggest change is that orcs are now pigs, and other than that, it's just stats are arranged
Yeah,
differently.
that beautiful drawing.
Yeah. So basically, this would be some kind of pop-up.
Yeah.
When you click on somebody, you can see their stats here, and then abilities are here, and then you can see details of every
Well,
ability.
the thing is, it was like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the problem was that the main reason why you want to click on unit and open this panel is because you want to see all of those abilities and see what they do and how much damage they take from each of these stats, like strength, agility, magic, and everything. But as you can see here on this panel, the smallest thing here is those abilities actually, and they are the most important ones. So, and they're like the last here. It was not good design. So we figured out that we will make it like this, so that abilities can be like selected, and the description of ability will always be here, like popped out.
Okay, so Vamp, I think Nemo is Vamp, right? Okay, I'm gonna call you Nemo so other people know who you are. Asked why not allow the information. Alright, so what do you guys think? That it would be better if we kept that? If we kept the information instead of this? If we kept it like it is? It's not yeah, I can keep the music. It's not a final decision, so we can actually talk about it some more, and maybe we can even make
Yeah.
some voting or something. I don't know how to do that, but
I would
I'd say show
so.
some.
Yeah.
So right now you can see like if I want to join. I don't know, Nemo, you haven't played with us yet, right? Did you see how to play or on our tutorial, or should I explain it? Alright, so I'm adding some units. So now you can see what units I have, and the other idea is that you don't see them, but there is a bigger text, and not everything, but enough to give you just a vague idea. Alright, wait, I
Well.
missed a few. For your opponent, not to multiplayer, in single player, yes, to prepare the stage. Yes, for single player, you're gonna see exactly who you're fighting.
yeah,
You're
definitely.
maybe even going to be able to select the targets and so on. So we're
Yeah,
still
we are
figuring that
talking
out.
about
but
that. Yeah.
Or this opponent has mages and orcs, but you are not sure how much of each. But in multiplayer is impossible. Oh, orcs are now pigs. Johanna will be angry. Yeah, she will. Oink. Hogs are a symbol of war. How did you know? So it's fitting. Well, yeah, I guess orcs are kind of pigs. I mean, when they were thinking about orcs, it really feels like they kind of combined them with pigs, and then in Warcraft they colored them green. But so should I brainstorm an idea for demon form of all other units? Well, we have demons already. It's just a different color, and they're glowing, and they're going to have dark, like smoke around them. Basically, demon is like elite version of every unit. They will have more abilities and they will be stronger. So that's it kind of makes it more interesting, because you have like a basic archers, and then you get used to them, and then you see, all right, now I have demon archer, let's see if they are any good, or they will cost more points and so on. Okay, I'm going to start the game. Wow, UI looks damn clean. Definitely user friendly. So should I brainstorm ideas? Okay. I'd say show more information. I prefer no information, said Uberlord. Not everything, but enough to give you just vague idea. What the rest of you guys think? Should we keep the information and show exactly what units everybody chosen? Or should we just say, alright, I don't know, Medvedev joined, he has 10 out of 10 points, that's it. Good luck fighting him. Because this game, I'm very positive it will grow. More people will come, insane amount of people will. If it's not here, it's other streamers. So you mean that's why it's better not to show. Yeah, when there is more than like 32 units. Alright, if there is, it's problem either way. If there is 8 players, you can then kind of see what everybody else has, clear your team and make a counter. So that's kind of, I don't know. I sometimes feel like not doing that, because I feel like cheating, because everybody already chosen it, and then I'm going to make a counter for their team. And then the other version is there is like 32 players. There is no way I'm going to see all of them, so it's just a whole mess, right? So maybe it's even better without information. For multiplayer, of course, this is...
Uber in the final.
We also have updated music, but you're still not happy with it. We're still just figuring it out, so it's not that we're not happy with it, it's not what we want at all, but I can play it. I'm gonna play it when we start the next one.
Look at Uber. Training offline, lol.
Yeah, you have advantage. Alright, let's go with 12 units. What is new yesterday I missed? Yesterday... was it? Oh, yesterday, you should seen us yesterday. We were figuring out the music, how to tell a sound designer what to do. So we went to Daniel's place, pick up his guitar. It's electric guitar, so we had to connect it with my PC, but you cannot connect it directly. but you can connect it to the microphone that I have, that we have actually, Daniel has. So when we connected it, we set everything up and we were trying some stuff out, and then we were like, all right, we need to start streaming, and we had 7 minutes to set everything up.
Yeah, like it's okay.
We-
7 minutes. Yeah.
We couldn't do anything. We couldn't make the speakers work at all. Microphone, it wasn't working. We had to record with
Yeah.
microphone from the camera that is not as good.
Yeah, speakers, nothing.
It
was
took us, I
working,
think, 20 minutes to set everything
Yeah.
up.
And then
I
when-
leaked something again. The stream
Yeah,
key, we changed it. It's okay, but
Yeah,
what
but
else?
the thing is, when we started streaming, it wasn't connected to restream actually.
yeah, we
Because,
didn't even stream on Twitch.
Yeah, we didn't even stream on Twitch.
Then we
Only
didn't
on
have
Mixer.
a sound.
Only on Mixer.
Yeah, on
Stream,
Mixer.
yeah.
Nobody is on Mixer.
Yeah.
I mean, from our audience. Then we didn't have sound, and finally, you should join too.
Yep.
And finally, what was the final problem? Music was too loud because we were recording for something
Yeah.
for sound designer. So yeah, everything went wrong like in first 20 minutes. We barely started.
Yeah, literally everything.
Yeah, everything that could.
Everything that could go wrong,
Yeah.
gone wrong.
Damn, good streams when I'm busy. Yeah, it was a good stream. Alright, starting. Nemo versus High Guy.
Nemo Coastal Tree.
Nemo, yeah, it's more Nemo.
Yeah. Oh,
The archers are countering.
Joanna. Welcome.
Oh. We don't see.
I hope this game blows up. The good kind.
The good kind. Thank you. Yeah, we hope to. Right now we are like finished
Whoa!
figuring out the single player, and then we need to get that Twitch app working, and then we're going to start the Kickstarter because we could use some help there to get it done the right way. So if Kickstarter fails, we're gonna continue making it, we're gonna finish it still, but it's going to, well, get into the early access with lower quality. But if we get through the Kickstarter well, then it would get to the Kickstarter, to the early access with higher quality. And then through the Kickstarter, through the early access, we're gonna keep developing it for maybe 6 to 12 months more. So still a lot of work, but this is made in like 9 months so far. So the core is there now. I always miss the good streams.
Burn. You lost against you. You need to practice more, man.
You're making the framework. Well, it is made in Unity, but yeah, you're still coding everything, like every movement, every part of their behavior is custom. It's not like there is like predetermined stuff.
I'm gonna lose this. No, easy. Yeah.
Alright, High Guy and
I think bear mixes will win. These boards are. Oh, no.
maybe yes.
Yes! Wow.
So close.
Wow, that was really
Alright, let's go
close.
with 18 units. Uh,
And We are going to have the air conditioner
Yeah,
here.
it's been decided.
It's been like we need that thing.
Yeah. It's inhuman.
Yeah, like we must have. It's like to be or not to be.
Yeah, it's really messing
Yeah,
up with
when
our...
it comes to exist or
productivity.
not to exist. Like okay.
So, now the question is, should I kick... Yeah, I'm gonna kick Daniel on myself when Visage adds more units. So,
The clickings are back.
yeah, I actually saw Daniel click like that also. This place is just making you...
Yeah, making you click, click, click.
So Visage, we are going to make like, wait like 15 more seconds. If you want to add more units, you have... there you go. You have 2 more points. And we're gonna start. Okay, I'm going to exit. 2 more points. We're gonna wait a little longer. Like till it's 20. When it's 20, I'm going to start. Ah, good job. Alright. So yeah, he was working one morning when I wasn't here, and when I came back, you were like having that that disease that I have
Yeah.
usually. So
I
maybe air conditioning will help us.
left me alone here and
Yeah,
I got clicking disease.
it's Overlord is hosting us. Thank you. Oh, the clickage back. Clicking sound like some fantasy creature. You need to use not probably. Bringing the current air conditioner. Tell us if there is like noise because Daniel brought the fan and I see the mic
Yeah.
doing something, but it usually isn't any noise. But if there is, tell us.
The sound is on the headphones actually, but don't unplug them before you.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that is fine because
Yeah.
they are not getting our sound; they are getting the sound from the desktop.
Yeah, I know.
Uh-huh.
But right now, this what we hear is from
Uh-huh,
the headphones.
Yeah, I hear the sound. It's like my chip mic picking up my fan sound. Is it annoying or is it? Does the pyro have no channeling animation or indication? She has channeling animation. I'm going to zoom in to show you. But we'll
no
probably
effect,
do effect
actually.
indication where the firebolt is being formed. Okay, so
There is some background
Here it
audio,
is.
but it's not bad.
oh, they died. We couldn't see it because they died really badly. Maybe we can see on others. We'll see if Medvedev maybe has some ages.
Oh, the fan
Pirates.
got our green screen.
Oh, that's not good. No. But basically she does. She makes like a hame-kame animation and then fires it out. So you can, when you remember the animation, you can then easily figure out when she's going to fire it. Then that is slow that looks more dramatic in slow motion, yeah. Especially if there is like Orcs X that is cutting somebody's head. But wait, you guys can join now again. We have 18 units.
Okay, I want to join. I want to see.
Yeah, I'm just going to prepare this. And then join if there is space. Nemo says, this looks awesome, can't wait to see more of it. Thank you. But I mean relative to them. Well, yeah, you moved it a little bit, so maybe
Yeah.
it is a bit lesser now. So, yeah, we will have more units, like maybe in 2 or 3 weeks. But then we're gonna have like 3 more units, or maybe even 4, who knows.
The plan is actually to finish the single player UI by the end of this month. That's like in 2
Yeah.
weeks.
Okay,
And
I'm going to join.
at that point we will have we will be able to implement new units in the project and play
The
this
thing-
Twitch mode with new project.
Yeah, but
and
like, we should explain that the thing is that we're now playing the old project. It's like 2 weeks old or even more
yeah,
right
2
now.
weeks and
maybe
3
I
weeks,
don't know.
something like that. Yeah.
Because the new one is like, yeah, you should join too. I think we're.
Ah, okay.
So the new project is like, we removed most of the code and there is 0 balance because now there are these stats like strength, agility, magic, and it all is combined, but there is no balance and the Twitch mode is not working at all because it's not just connected yet and so on. But when we connect all that, we can then add more units. Alright, I think this should be the final one for today. So, we have, though, yes, the mic quality overall is worse, but they are aware of that. Oh yeah, thank you, Uber. He shared our plans here for new units. You can see, like here, Necromancer. Show you more when the battle is done. Okay, look at the mages. You see the animation and then they finish. There it is. Okay. So here it is. Here is the document that Uber shared. So we'll have these units and Troll is
We
already
have
animated.
already
Yeah.
animated troll.
Hi, Guy. You and me.
What we have animated? Troll,
Troll.
shaman.
Yes.
Who
and
else?
Necromancer, front
Necromancer.
of the Necromancer.
Yeah.
Not the back, right? Yet. I lost. Yeah, mage is really good against bunch of orcs. They take forever to approach her and she gets them by then.
Go little knight. Never mind.
Now it would be so smart!
What the?
Oh, such a terrible decision making. Yeah, we still haven't completely figured out how to learn them when to attack who, because sometimes it's smart to attack priest and in other situation it's not. If there is like a, I don't know, orc and a priest, like orc has so many health and priest is healing him, so it's maybe easier to kill the priest. But in this case it was easier to kill the...
This is why she needs shotgun fingers.
Yeah, she will have. She will have these many other abilities.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were talking with again about them on this document file. Something like and fires away somebody, blows away somebody.
Ah.
Like a quick spell that she can use when one unit approaches
Yeah.
her.
And there is the same situation.
Same
Same
way to
situation.
lose.
Yeah.
Identical.
Actually, identical.
Yeah. Alright, so final battle for today. slow it down a little bit so that we can really see what's up and take the manual control of the camera. Alright, so these mages will shoot first because they're high level. Alright, and they will kill everybody here, I think. But there is more mages here, so I guess they targeted more space, but
They're dead.
basically they killed each other. And I think Jovan is winning. Yeah.
Well, what do you expect?
What do you think? A battle of legends, which means more particles for the game. Alright, so tomorrow we actually moved, you know.
Look again. That's the spirit.
Yeah. So tomorrow we gonna have a competition, championship, where you can actually win some games. So there will be more people, but if you win on these championships, you can choose one of the games that the publisher will provide. Last week we had a little bit of fun delay because publisher was busy, and then I guess he forgot, and well, it happens to all of us, but everybody got the game after that. It's actually my fault that I wasn't checking Discord on time and seeing the complaints, but overall, yeah, and it's a bit later, it's 3 hours later than we started today. You can see the counter there in Twitch description. So yeah, we'll see you guys then, and yeah, that's it for today. Tell us if you have any suggestion about anything that we were talking about, since we were discussing some stuff. What was the Wednesday mode? I missed it. We missed it too. We wanted to make a twist, but we didn't predict that our game is not working everywhere, so...
Well, it's working, but it's some kind... We
some computers
sent
are
the game to Uberlord, and we wanted him to stream.
But some internet providers are
Yeah.
blocking our game from accessing the chat. So
Twitch
it wasn't
chat,
working,
yeah.
and then we were trying
Yeah.
to figure it out, but we couldn't, and we should have asked Uber to kind of test. We should have tested
We should
it
have
before,
tested it before,
but
yeah.
we didn't, because we figured like we don't want to start the stream. But we could test it in some way, but basically it's our fault completely,
Yeah.
and we might try something like that some other time, I don't know. So there wasn't any twist overall.
Yeah, and sorry Uber for
Yeah,
for
sorry, it's
all
we
of
just
that.
yeah,
We
made an inconvenient situation
Yeah.
for you. Yeah, it's
yeah. So
bot 8 attacked, yeah. Something like that. Luckily, he actually figured now. He tested few stuff and figured exactly
yeah,
what
actually,
was.
when he connects to Wi-Fi, the game won't work. Actually, it works, but just don't want to read the chat from Twitch. But when he connected to mobile, like hotspot, it works.
Yeah.
Like
So thank you actually for
still
debugging
don't
that
know
for
why.
us, because it's
what-
that is
what
actually
could-
that
but
is
yeah.
actually important that we now know that this can happen, because we would market the game like it's working everywhere, but actually there are some blockades. But yeah.
I didn't sleep figuring it out.
Yeah, well, you did figure it out, so that's good. Uber took one for the team, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we'll see you tomorrow, guys.
See you tomorrow.
All right. Bye.
Bye.